Hi, boys and girls. We are on our last letter, I believe, for the year that we need to talk about. And what letter is that? What letter? You're right, it's V. V. V says V. Good job. But before we start, I just wanted to share this note with you. I miss all of you so much. And there's our grizzly paws. But I miss you. It's been a long time since I've seen you. And please know that I haven't forgotten any of you. And I miss seeing your smiling faces. Okay. So the letter V. Here we go. V. Big line down and back up. And if we made it lowercase one, it'd be the same. Small line down, small line up. V. All right. I went through our names and found some friends whose names begin with the letter V. Do you remember this girl's name? You're right, it's Livy. Here's Livy's name. She has a V in the middle. Livy. We'll put that right there, Livy. And the next name we have is Ivan. Ivan. Right there's a V for him. So we have Livy and Ivan. And we have one more. And whose name is that? David. David with the V in the middle. David. And I was able to find some things that start with the letter V. Vegetables. I just had lunch and I had some vegetables for lunch. I had broccoli and carrots. Those were my vegetables. We also have a volcano. A volcano. See the picture of the volcano? Okay. And does anybody know what that instrument is called? You're right, it's a violin. Violin. And I think some of you might come to school in one of these. You're right, that is a van. Van. Good job. So when we make that lowercase v and capital V, lowercase, down and up. Capital V, excuse me, big line down and big line up. V, V. All right. We're going to take our pictures and make a sentence with them. So we will start with Livy. There's Livy's name again. Livy. There's this high frequency word. Had. Livy had vegetables. Livy had vegetables. Alrighty. And Ivan. This one looks a lot like had. Has. Ivan has a violin. Do you have a violin, Ivan? Ivan has a violin, and there's our period, stop sign at the end. And we have, remember his name? David. David. I'm going to let you take a minute to read those words by yourself. I know a lot of you can. I know many of you can. So what does that say? David can see the volcano. Volcano. David can see the volcano. Fortunately, we don't have a lot of volcanoes near us right now. And I'm going to be in the story too. I like the van. And here we go. I like the van. Good job. What's this letter, boys and girls? V, you're right. And what does V say? V. kind of tickles when you say that. Livy, good, had vegetables. Ivan has a violin. David, good job. And if you read that as David can see the volcano, great job. Good job. And I like the van. Okay, boys and girls, have a great day, and I will see you maybe when you're all in kindergarten. Next week, be looking for information regarding coming to school and gathering your things that might have been left behind, work projects and things like that, and there's a few jackets still left over as well, and also some information to return iPads if you borrowed one. That will be coming out shortly. Okay, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.